But what you're doing basically is, I don't know, let's see here. So to explain, this is what's called the Bible. I don't really like that term, but anyway, this is called the Bible, and this is your cylinder. And so you'll see in here you've got pins that are about somewhat this length, a little shorter, but like that. And so you're taking and you have to push them up. There's a spring up here, and there's a top pin and a bottom pin inside here. These are slightly rounded to match the key. Their length is just perfect so that those cutouts in that key make every one of these pins in here, the very top side of them are perfectly lined up at this point right here. And these pins are above this point, which hits the shear line, is straight across, allowing the cylinder to turn. That's how a lock works. And so these will go in and lift it above that line, and it'll allow you to actually open the lock, which I don't know, this is a Slades. See if I can get in there. Yeah, see, I'm pushing it up, but I just can't get it high enough to meet that that deal to push it in. So anyway, that's the point of these comb picks, is to push all of the pins, even this bottom one, above that shear line. And the bottom of these pins are kind of slightly rounded, so you don't have to get them perfectly in line with the shear line, but close enough to where they'll catch and push on up as you turn the cylinder. But whenever a lock is done right with security in mind, you don't have enough room up here for the bottom pins and the top pins and the spring to come all above the shear line. And so that's where a comb pick is at a disadvantage, to where it will not work. They have to physically be able to push them all above it. Now, I got it all lined up and pushed them up, but I couldn't get beyond that point because everything was all bound up here and there was no more room left to push it on up.